Arts TV. Let's go!
This is your boy, Rashim Kilo Pugh from Save the Arts TV, and today we're doing a foundation crack. Have a look at the ground. You see this comes from a house settling. Normally a new house that was built. Over the first 5 years, the house settles. So look at that foundation crack. It's deep. Deep crack. Going all the way from here to all the way over there. That's deep. So today, we got this quick concrete setup, quick. I just made a batch right here, as you can see, right there, and I'm getting ready to fill in the cracks. So I ain't gonna keep y'all on here super long, but I'm gonna show y'all the process of doing it. I'm gonna take this, then I'm gonna pour it down into the crack, right? Pour it all down into the crack. Line it all up, right? Then I'm gonna take this trowel right here. We're gonna get it down in the cracks. Get it down. I'm gonna go back and forth. Push it down in there. Push it down a little bit. Fill in those cracks. So you see, it's really going in and settling out in that piece. So I'm gonna do this for the rest of the room, and then I'll come back to y'all and show y'all the end process. As you can see, if you look at the crack, the first thing I did was fill in the crack. So I made the cement nice and thin so it can pour down into the crack, then pushed it down in there, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I made a nice thin layer of concrete, which I'm gonna pour on top of the entire thing, right? And the whole purpose of this one is just for smoothness. So I can get it nice and level. So when you walk on it, everything is nice and level. So I'll give you an example. Take the trowel, move around nice and smooth. Just for the walk. Nobody wants to walk and feel a crack. So you eliminate that by just making it smooth. And as it dries, you chip off all the excess over there area. If you can see it, you probably can feel it. So the main thing is to see that area now. I just covered that. The main thing is to cover it up so you can't even really see it. Because if you can't see it, you can't feel it. When they start doing that, every time you move it, it's knotted up, you need a little more water. You gotta weten it up a little more so it becomes smoother. See how it moves smooth now? Not making all them knots. And then somebody gotta check your trowel, because sometimes you got too much stuff on the trowel. So we'll clean that off. I'm gonna add a little more water to the cement. I'll be back. Filled, as you can see from over there, all the way over here. 2 layers. One thin layer went down in the crack, and then another layer on top to smooth it out. Got an easy cleanup. It's only been 10 minutes this far. Now before it dries, right? Get a close up on this right here. Before it completely dries, take a broom and get that nice little layer off the top so you don't deal with these little chunks. See these little chunks? These chunks can get in the way if they get rock hard. You try to lay a floor or something, you might feel this through the floor. So you gotta get that out the way, get a nice light sweep. Don't sweep it all up, but just like this little outside right here, you just go right over it, just top, because it ain't 100% dry yet, but it's mostly dry. But all we doing is getting rid of the chunks so that our floor can be nice and smooth. And there you have it. Concrete foundation fill with quick from your boy, only on Say the Arts TV.
Say the Arts TV. You know what it be. Say the Arts TV. Let's go!